This feels so good. Ooh, baby, it feels so good. I could just rub myself on this all day. Hola, chicas y chicos. It's Grifa Beauty again. For this video today, it's sponsored by SilkSilky.com. This company has top of the line luxury silk items. They have men and women sleepwear, underwear, hair accessories, and bedding. They offer a lot of products, and I feel like this is a good gift giving idea. Like, I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner. This is SilkSilky.com. This is a quick look at their website so you guys can get an idea of what they have to offer. They do have sales most of the time, and with my discount code of 10% in the description box down below, you guys can save extra money for your holiday needs or just to pamper yourself. They have cute nightgowns with the laces. They offer 2 options for shipping, and they do also offer gift notes. So if you guys want to send your gifts with a little cute note, then they offer that service as well. And I also found that they have face masks. This is definitely a good idea if you have sensitive skin and you're suffering from breakouts right now in the pandemic. Silk has a lot of good benefits for you. Resistant, and it just makes you feel and look good overall. So yeah, I got from them a nightgown, and this is the box it comes with. It came really quick, in less than a week. So it's good for like some last minute gifting. And what's good about them that they offer write a message for you. Like if you want to write a little thank you or whatever your gift note wants, you want to write I love you or get creative and write something cute with your gift. The company offers that service. And it just has this card. And then the guarantee card, I guess. It says focus on silky life. Sleep with us, tell your friends. SilkSilky has created for you a prestigious silk sleepwear. 100% mulberry silk. Special textile techniques give the silk fabric a glossy and smooth tactility. So I've heard that the silk helps your skin in a lot of different ways because it's natural. I don't know if you guys know about silk, but it is made by little worm, like a silkworm. Like, so imagine, that's why it's expensive. So it is a really cute way to like show a loved one that you love them and that you care about them, because it helps with like fine lines and a lot of benefits. If you guys could look them up. But this is the cute nightgown that I ordered, you guys. It comes with a nice cute little lace. I got it in a size small. And I love it that it's sexy. I ordered this one because it was a sexy, well, I mean, they have a lot of little sexy options, but this one has like a high slit on the thigh. So I'm about to try it on for you guys too. This feels so good. Ooh, baby, it feels so good. I could just rub myself on this all day. So this is really cute. They have a lot of really cute like low top back laces. So for you girls, if you guys have like a mom or a sister or something, that's really cute. Or I haven't really checked out the men pajamas, but I should for my little sneaky links I got. No, I don't know if anybody's getting anything from me this year. We'll still have to see. But they do have for a lot of cute things, and I feel like that's the perfect gift. Like, you don't really think about silk when you think about like gift giving, but I think this is a pretty good idea. Silk, baby. Help your loved ones sleep better. Mother's Day is coming. Any type of holiday, I feel like they will benefit from this. So you guys, I went ahead and put it on. This is so soft. I've never had silk before. It feels so good. It makes me feel like fancy. So yeah, and then I like it that their company offers 2 shipping options. So if you are in a time crunch, they do offer fast shipping worldwide to most countries. Also do have like the gift note option, so you guys could like send a little cute message with your It's very cute. the high slit here. It does come a little high, like I'm 5'7", so for reference, this is the small. I ordered it a size small. We'll leave a link to this piece in the description box if you guys are interested in seeing it. It has this cute lace detail. Ooh, and it's just so soft. I never had real silk before. Like, I've had the fake robes, like those $10 robes, but I could tell the difference right away. This feels good. Like, I can't wait to sleep on this. Thank you, Silky. So yeah, let me see what else I have to say about them. So yeah, they do offer those 2 shipping options with a little gift note if you want to do that. So it's great for any holiday. Mother's Day is coming too, so if you guys don't make it for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, is your gift idea as well. They were nice enough to offer me a discount code for my viewers, so I will leave the discount code for their website down in the description box. That'll be cute to save a couple of bucks. Discount, baby. So you could get a little discount on some luxury products for your loved ones or for yourself, because if you don't have nobody to give this to, go ahead and pamper yourself, sis. This feels so good. If you guys never had real silk, hit up Silky Silk and get some good quality products. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.